Dear students, we are in JEE Mathematics and we are in the chapter of relations and functions. Let us see today two questions we will do from question number 23 and 24. Okay, let us see this question. The domain of the function f of x is equal to sine inverse of x minus 1 by 2x plus 3 is r minus alpha to beta open interval. Observe carefully, this is not like what we can say. See, this is not like r minus alpha beta. No. Why? Because the alpha beta we should not take it. Only alpha beta we should not take. Not like that. See, alpha to beta we should not take open interval. Okay, both are different. Then we will see what will happen in that. Okay. This domain, if you find the domain, that domain is going to go alpha beta. Okay, alpha beta. Let us see alpha beta. Then 12 times of alpha beta value you have to find. See, first of all, what we understand here, this should not be 0. That means 2x plus 3 should not be equal to 0. 2x should not be equal to minus 3. X should not be equal to minus 3 by 2. This is one thing. Okay, your alpha beta value should be this. Based on this. Okay. Now see, we know very well sine inverse x means that x, this should be minus 1 to plus 1. Is it okay? Now separately we will do, see, minus of 2x plus 3, x minus 1, first we will do this, afterwards we will do this, both, okay, and x minus 1, 2x plus 3, okay, we will do one by one. First we will take this one. See, minus 2x minus 3 should be less than x minus 1. See, this minus goes plus. That means see, minus 1 plus 1, 1 minus 2 minus 2. Minus 2 and 3x. Or else, if you send divided by 2, minus 2 by 3, that means see, x should be greater than or equal to minus 2 by 3. Is it okay? Okay. Now, see, this is one thing you take. Afterwards, come back. Now you go for this one. See, this is minus 3 by 2, this is minus 2 by 3. Carefully you take it. Now you take this one. X minus 1 is less than or equal to 2x plus 3. Okay. Now send the x that side, 3 this side. Minus 4 x. Or else x should be greater than minus 4. What you are going to understand here? See, which is smaller, minus 4 or minus 2 by 3? In negative side, minus 4 is smaller, minus 2 by 3 is bigger. That means see, I want to take alpha as minus 4 and beta as minus 2 by 3. In between only minus 3 by 2 will come. Minus 3 by 2 means minus 1.5. Minus 4 minus 1.5 and less than minus 1.5. That means see, if you don't take in between, then automatically everything will, you can take r, then this function is valid like that. Okay? Like that they have given. That means see, you have found alpha beta values. Let us proceed. Now 12 times of alpha beta is equal to 12 into minus 4 into minus 2 by 3. Okay, 3 4 times goes. 4 into 4, 16, 16 into 2 will be 32. 32 will be your answer. Let us go for next question.